Designing and engineering the Dyson PureCool purifier was more than just creating an effective purifier. Dyson engineers questioned, scrutinized, and crafted every part of the machine, designing it to have a small footprint, to fit anywhere in the home. The remote control is curved and magnetized, so it can dock on top of the loop for easy access. The integrated auto mode takes over cleaning the air for you, monitoring the air quality and reacting accordingly when the air becomes polluted. And for the light sleepers, we've programmed a nighttime auto mode. This enables only the quietest settings, as well as dimming the display. And during warmer days, the machine can cool you. Changing filters is easy with Dyson. Observe the air quality inside your home and outside. The Dyson Link app contains purification activity, filter life, and remote control, including scheduling. The Dyson PureCool Purifier.